Welcome to Java Forum. Now I am going to show you how to fix ORA-02431 error in Oracle database 12c. So I have logged into the SQL Plus editor as a common user called c#scott. Make sure that you have enough permission to execute the SQL queries. Now what I am doing, I am going to create one table called master table 2. So employee number, name, employee number and name columns. Okay. Now next step what I am doing, I am going to alter the table called master underscore table 2 and disable the constraint called pk underscore empno2. ORA-02431 cannot disable constraint, no such constraints. So here what is the problem is, just now only I created a table called master underscore table 2, but I am disabling the constraint called pk underscore empno2, which is not there. So I have not yet created the constraint. Okay. So without creating the constraint, I have tried to disable the constraint, which caused the error ORA-02431 issue. So now let me create one primary key constraint referring the employee number column. So I create the primary key constraint now. Yes. Now I created the constraint. Okay. Now you try to disable the constraint. See here, disable constraint query executed successfully. So this is the fix for ORA-02431. Make sure that constraint is already there, then you disable it.